Have a look at the picture behind me. It represents each and one of you. The big circle is your mind, conscious and subconscious mind. Now, if you worry about your future, if you doubt yourself, if you doubt your abilities, that is being internalized and goes into our subconscious mind, and it turns into fear. Fear is a negative emotion. Most people don't understand what fear is, so they allow that fear to control them. That negative emotion is not expressed because majority of people don't know how to deal with negative emotions, so they suppress it, they ignore it, hoping and thinking it's going to go away. It doesn't. It turns into anxiety, and in long term it turns into depression. So what we do have to what we have to do to deal with this stress and worry and doubt is we have to develop understanding through studies. When you study yourself, what you are and who you are, you will understand that fear is a part of growth, and that will allow you to go forward.